Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Wow Maths. Today we are going to start exercise 6.6 from grade 5 from the Wow Maths book only. So the question number 1 is Irfan gave rupees 50 out of rupees 150 to his friend. So how much percentage of his money did he give? So you need to calculate the percentage of the money Irfan has given to his friend. So to finding the percentage of money, we are going to write the fraction. So for writing the fraction, we will write 50 rupees in the numerator, and as we know the total is always in the denominator, so we will write the 150 because out of 150 he has given 50 rupees to his friend. As we are calculating the percentage, to represent our number into the fraction, into the percentage, we are going to multiply with 100. Now we are going to start cutting if there is any cutting possible. So it's 0 से 0 यहाँ पे cutting हो रही है. Then any other cutting? Yes, it's still there. It's 5 3s are 5 2s are. Any other cutting? There is no cutting because जब भी हम cutting करते हैं हमें एक न्यूमिनेटर का नंबर और एक डिनोमिनेटर का नंबर लेना होता है. वी आर नेवर एवर डू द कटिंग कि हम न्यूमिनेटर और न्यूमिनेटर की कर दें और डिनोमिनेटर या डिनोमिनेटर की कर दें. सो वी हैव लेफ्ट विद नाउ इन द न्यूमिनेटर 50 into 2 divided by 3. So it is 100 by 3. So now we need to, because this is the improper form of fraction, so we will convert into the mixed form of fraction by dividing 100 with 3. So it is 3 3s are 9, 1 0, we will brought it down. So again 3 3s are 9. So 1 is left. So we are going to apply the QRD formula. What is QRD? Q represents your quotient, R represents your remainder, and D represents your divisor. In this way we will put the value. So the quotient we will got here is 33 and remainder is 1 and the divisor you are getting here is 3. As we have already multiplied with 100, so at last we will apply the percentage sign. So 33 1 by 3 percentage of money Irfan gave to his friend. Moving to question number 2, where Rahul earns rupees 5,000, he saves rupees 500. So you need to calculate what percentage of his earnings does he save. So you need to calculate the percentage of his saving. So let's do it. So you need to calculate the percentage of Rahul's saving. So what is the amount Rahul is saving here? The Rahul is saving rupees 500 out of 5,000 rupees. So the total is always comes in the denominator. As we are going to write the percentage, so we will multiply with 100 here. So let's do the cancellation. ये 0 से इस 0 की cutting हो गई, इस 0 से ये 0 cut हो गया, इस 0 से ये 0 की cutting हो गई. Now you have left with 50 by 5. So 5 1s are 0. So Rahul is saving 10% of his total earning every month. Now moving to question number 3. Here Rita had 200 rupees. She is spending 16% of her income. So the total income of Rita is 200 rupees or 200 rupees ka 16% she is spending on the books. So you need to calculate how much money she spent on the books. Now here we need not to calculate the percentage. The percentage is given to us. We need to apply that percentage on the total amount and find the money she is spending on her books. So let's find out. So we will write the money Rita spends on books. So she is spending 16% of rupees 200. Now 16%, a percentage का sign remove करना है. Whenever we want to remove the percentage sign, what we will do? We will divide it with 100. And what do you mean by of? Of means in mathematics it means multiplication. So we will write the sign of multiplication and 200. Now we'll start. There is no number in the denominator, so we will take it the denominator as 1. So now let's start doing the cutting. ये 20 से यहाँ 20 कट गया, ठीक है. So we have left with 16 into 2. जब भी हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में 1 होता है, we will not write it as, किसी भी नंबर को अगर आप 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, so it is not going to change your answer. So in the similar way, if I am going to write 1 here, 16 2s are 32, and if I am dividing 32 with 1, I am going to get rupees 32 only. It is not going to change my answer. So Rita is spending 32 rupees out of 200 on her books. Moving to question number 4, there is a box which contains 400 marbles and 30% of the total. See here the word of is given, means 30% of किसका लेना है? Total marbles का, and total marbles are here is 400. So 30% of the total marbles are red. You need to find out the number of marbles which are red. So you need to find the number of red marbles. So red marbles are given 30% of total marbles. It is given in your question. Alright. So it's 30, परसेंटेज का साइन हटाएंगे, 100 डिनोमिनेटर में लगाएंगे, ऑफ है मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, टोटल मार्बल्स आर 400. सो ये 20 से 20 की कटिंग होगी. सो वी हैव लेफ्ट विथ 30 into 4. So it is 120 marbles. If we calculate 30% of 400 marbles, it comes out to be 120 marbles. Moving to the last question, question number 5 of exercise 6.6. Here are 9 out of 45 students. So the total strength of the class is given to you as 45. So 9 out of 45 students in a class are absent. You need to calculate the percentage of the class is absent. So let's calculate percentage of the class who are absent. So first we will frame the fraction. So the fraction is 9 students out of 45 they are absent. So we are going to calculate the percentage. So we are going to multiply with 100. Okay. So let's do the cutting part now. 9 ones are 9. 9 5s are 45. So this is the numerator number. This is the denominator number. As I told you, whenever you want to do the cutting, you need to go by, one is the number from the numerator, other from the denominator. So now in our numerator we got number 1. So now here in the denominator still we have the number 5, and in the numerator we still have 100 here. So whenever we are doing the cutting, either we can do down or we can do the crossword cuttings as well. Alright. So let's do it. So it's 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0. How I get to know that the 100 will come in the table of 5? So here you can use your divisibility rules. As the divisibility of 5 is either on the unit place you have 0 or 5, then that number is completely divisible by 5. So here 100 is there. Okay. So it is going to be divisible by 5 because at the unit place we have 0 here. So the total percentage of the students who are absent on that particular day is 20%. By this the exercise 6.6 is completed, and now from today onwards we are going to have the regular videos on my YouTube channel Wow Math. So kindly like, share and subscribe, and do connect it for more such videos. Thank you so much.